What's up? In this video, we're going to scratch a phrase and drop it on beat 3. We'll be ending the phrase on the and of beat 2, and we will drop the record on beat 3. Just a quick heads up, if you're not using the same track as I am in this video, make sure that the beat 3 you're using is easy to scratch with. If you want to use ours, the link is in the description. Alright, let's check out the phrase. Here we go. I mentioned in a previous video that I don't scratch a lot with beat 3. I said the only time I might use beat 3 is when I'm scratching a kick drum from a breakbeat. However, just because I don't use beat 3 doesn't mean it's not important for transitions. I'll explain in a sec. For now, let's keep it moving. The ability to transition on beat 3 is a tool. What the tools give us? Tools give us more options. The ability to drop on any beat that you want opens things up for us. Imagine that you want to use an acapella. You always drop it on beat 1 and let it play out over an instrumental. But there is this one phrase in the song that you want to use, and it starts on beat 3. By being able to drop on beat 3, you can scratch out the phrase, drop it on beat, let the acapella play, or bring it back and cut it up again. More tools equal more options. Peace.